Nokia 106, released in 2023 by HMD Global, can be introduced as the next feature phone of the previously released Nokia 105. It has all the features of Nokia 105, and in addition, an MP3 player is included for this feature phone, and an SD card must be inserted to listen to music. In addition to this, voice recording facility and wireless FM radio facility have also been provided. Released in three color options, red, cyan and black, this feature phone offers 12 hours of talk time and 22 days of standby time on a single charge. Also, a memory capacity of 2000 contacts and 500 SMS has been given for this Nokia 106 feature phone. Also, as usual, an updated version of the Snake game has also been provided. Thanks for watching Learn with Tabia. See you in the next week.
Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose